and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Christina. Hi, nice to meet you. Grab your teas, grab your coffees, because today I'm going to show you what I bought from Primark for spring summer 2022. And yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Don't know what's going on with my voice. First item I picked up is this cute top. It was £13. I got a size 14 just because I feel like their sizing's a bit off. This fits perfectly. I did try this on in store, and it's just this quite like bohemian style top, and I thought this would be great for the hollybobs or a night out in the evening in spring, summer, with a cardigan and some trousers. And yeah, that's the vibe. Pair of shorts. It's got some buttons going down the front. You can't really see. But yeah, that's what I picked up for item one, and that was £13. And it's a linen blend, apparently. It's nice and thin and cool for the summer months. I then picked up an extra large for £4. This like terracotta kind of colour plain t-shirt. See, I like these t-shirts because they're, one, I like to get them oversized, like really oversized, and two, I love the sleeves. So they kind of go down here and they're all loose, and I just thought this would be nice just to throw on with a pair of shorts, put some accessories on with it to jazz it up. But yeah, that's what I picked up in extra large, £4. There was a couple of these. I really wanted a yellow, like a plain yellow, but they didn't have it, so I opted for the orange. They also had, if you saw my previous video, ones that have like Daydreamer on, but I wanted something quite plain, and I did try the Daydreamer one on, and it didn't have the same, like, it didn't sit the same, so that's why I went for this one. And it's super soft fabric. Doesn't say what it's made of. Oh, and it's made of sustainable cotton, so that's really good because Primark are now doing that, which is fantastic. I picked up a couple of bags and bag accessories. So the first one, which I'm obsessed with, it is so stunning, giving me all the H&M Zara vibes, is this bag here. They did have these in different colours as well, like pastel pinks, purples, and I'm obsessed with this. I think this is absolutely stunning. So it just, the clip bit, you just open. I can't open it. So you just open it, it's just like a little clip, and then it has the chain, which is gold, to go over the top. And I just thought this was super cute for spring, summer, to go with all like the dresses, like the dress I'm wearing now. Stunning. This was £10. So yeah, and it's in the colour ivory, but for £10 I thought this was a stunning bag. I then also picked up another bag. This one is also very small, very cute. This one is an evening style bag again, in this like beigey colour, so ecru colour, and I feel like this is a very in colour at the minute. I want to work towards going a bit more neutral vibes, so I decided to pick this one up. This one's £6. Again, it has the crossbody, which I love, and then it just opens up and it's just a little square bag. So that is stunning. And with that, I also picked up the matching kind of holder, purse holder, because mine is falling apart drastically. And this is in the colour cream, so slightly different colour. It's got this like detailing on, which I think is really pretty. And this was only £2, so you can't really go wrong. Primark are also now selling fake Birkenstocks. I didn't pick one up. I was debating whether to, but they didn't have the colour really I wanted. So I wanted like a white, and they didn't have it. So I'm going to stick to going to buy some Birkenstocks when I can. But instead, I did pick up a couple of pairs of shoes. So I bought this pair here, which is for my holiday. It's just some glittery sliders, and these are just easy to throw on. They have actually changed these slightly. because we had some of these last year and they're like memory foam, so it'll make it even more comfortable. These were £6 and I picked up a size 4 because that's my size. I also picked up another pair of like flip-flops for my holiday, and these just have a nice little glittery, what do you call it, strap, and it's got like some silver detailing around, a little bit of a clippy heel but nothing too much, and these were £5, so can't really go wrong with them either. Holidays in 4 weeks, so I'm super excited. Stay tuned, subscribe and everything if you want to see where I'm going, what I get up to. So I picked up a load of like basics and basic pajamas, so I thought I'd just show you what I did pick up. I did pick up a yellow pair, but I've already worn them, and these I've actually picked up too big because I should have picked up the medium. But I just wanted some nice soft cool pajamas for the holiday. So this was £4, these pink shorts, but I did actually pick these up in a too big a size, so we'll see how I get on with them. And these are £4. Again, these are made of used recyclable plastic, so this is the eco-friendly kind of range, sustainable range, sorry. And then to match the shorts, I actually picked up this top as well. This is in a size large, which will be a bit too big, but I wanted it to kind of come lower to cover a bit of my belly. But these were £3, this little crop top, and again it's part of this recycled plastic range, and I thought them two would go together nicely. And then in that section, in the same, because they've got like double padding, I picked up a white one, but I feel like I could wear these with shorts. Like, they're in the pajama section, but I don't actually know if they are 100% pajamas. But I'm gonna wear this color, white, this khaki kind of green, and a black one, just with some shorts on my holiday, because why not? Yeah, nothing tells me that they're pajamas, so I'm gonna go for it and wear it. And these were all £3. The crop tops were £3 and the shorts were £4. So I just picked up a load of them. I then picked up some shirt cover-ups to go over like swimsuits. So I saw a Pretty Little Thing with doing some for like 20 quid. And I was like, I can't pay that for a little shirt just to cover up over my swimsuit. So I picked this medium black one up and it was only £8. It's a bit see-through, but that doesn't really matter because I'm just going to be having my swimsuit over the top just to chuck on kind of thing to cover up. So I thought that was pretty much a bargain. Yeah, so medium size 12 to 14. I also picked up one in white, again same size, 12 to 14, again a bit see-through, but depending on the colour swimsuit or bikini I'm wearing, I will wear the one that goes the best. So I thought I'd pick up a white one as well. Again, that was £8. Last couple of items that I picked up were shirts. I picked this one up, which is a lilac in a 12, which I don't know whether to send back. And it's £13, just because I don't know about the colour of it on me. I feel like it washes me out a bit. This was £13 and it's just like a denim shirt. I picked it up in a 12. And it's like a shirt dress, so I'd put a belt with it. And then the last one I picked up with this is my favourite one out of the both of them, is this like yellow lemon colour. It's a very pale yellow shirt dress. Again, just paired it with a white belt and you're good to go. You can dress it up, dress it down, heels, flats, and yeah. So that's literally the same but in a different colour. And this was also £13. I got it in a 12 and it's all caught up because that's the tea. Yeah, £13, and yeah, just a yellow lemon shirt. What actually is the colour? Light yellow. Yeah, so a light yellow shirt, which actually really suits me, especially when I've got a bit of a tan going on. Yellow is actually a vibe for me. As you can see, I'm wearing yellow today because it's very spring vibes. But that comes to the end of my video. I hope you liked it. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did. Let me know if you've been to Primark recently in the comments and what you picked up. And I'm not going to ramble on this time. You know the tea. You kind of know the tea. If you know the tea, my videos are Thursdays and Sundays now. So please subscribe if you want to see more of me. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!